How to use compositing techniques in After Effects. If you are curious about how to use compositing techniques in Adobe After Effects, you are in for a treat. Compositing is all about blending different visual elements into a unified scene. Let's break down how to do this step by step. First, you need to import your footage and assets into Adobe After Effects. Organize these elements within compositions. Compositions are like containers that hold your layers and set the timeline for your project. Start with basic compositing by layering your footage. A common technique is keying, especially Chroma keying, which allows you to remove backgrounds. This is typically done with green or blue screens. The keylight effect is a handy tool for isolating and removing a solid color background, making it easy to place your subject over a new background. Next, refine your work using masks and mattes. These tools help control which parts of your layers are visible, allowing for a more natural blend of elements. Adjusting color and lighting is also important. Make sure your layers match in color and brightness so they look like they belong together in the same scene. Adding effects like glow, shadows, or blur can create a sense of realism and depth. For more advanced techniques, motion tracking is essential, especially if your footage has camera movement. You can track points of contrast in your footage to create null objects that carry the motion data. This data can then be applied to other layers, ensuring they move in sync with the background. Another useful method is using clean plates. A clean plate is footage of the background without any subjects. This can help you remove unwanted objects or fill in gaps seamlessly. Combining real footage with computer-generated imagery or still images is also common. Adobe After Effects offers tools to blend these elements effectively through layering and blending modes. Animating properties like opacity, position, and effects over time allows for dynamic composites. You can create effects where objects appear or vanish smoothly. Using adjustment layers and precompositions helps keep your projects organized, especially when working with multiple layers. Practical applications of compositing in Adobe After Effects include creating visual effects like explosions, energy bursts, or ghostly appearances. By layering and animating various elements, you can produce professional quality motion graphics and visual effects. Mastering these compositing techniques in Adobe After Effects will allow you to integrate multiple visual elements seamlessly. This makes your projects not only visually appealing but also polished and professional.